There has been a groundbreaking court ruling that potentially puts the government on the hook for billions of dollars in damages. 4 years after Hurricane Katrina, some New Orleans residents won a hard-fought victory as the court found the federal government liable for some of the flooding that devastated that city. Steve Osunsami is there.
They were celebrating in New Orleans today.
It is an extremely, extremely happy day.
Ken Lattimore and 2 other families who sued the federal government for flood damages will split $720,000.
Everybody needs to be held accountable, and you know, the Corps of Engineers shouldn't be an entity that's broken and hurts people.
Their victory now opens the door to a massive class action lawsuit against the Army Corps of Engineers.
They knew. They knew. They knew that this could happen, and they did nothing.
The Corps' handling of this shipping canal was the issue in this case. The judge said it was their poor maintenance that contributed to the disaster, specifically the flooding in 2 of the hardest hit communities. The government has long argued that nature was responsible. The next lawsuit, the big one, could cost the government an unbelievable $100 billion if the government loses again.
This case means something like those 6 families times 100,000. That's how many claims they're in. This is huge.
Joseph Harrell, who lost a home in the city's lower 9th Ward, says he can't wait to make the government pay.
I want to sue them and get my money, you know, get what it's due to me.
Late today, government lawyers said that they were still looking into the case, but what residents here hope is that they settle with every homeowner.
We spent $7 billion to give assistance to the victims of 9/11. That act, that gesture of kindness and decency must now be extended to the people of New Orleans and St. Bernard Parish.
They say that Congress or the president should step in and do the right thing. Steve Osunsami, ABC News, New Orleans.